Hi everybody, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to create a chart through shortcut key. So I'm going to be teaching you how to create your chart just using a shortcut key. So we are going to remove this. We don't want this, so let's remove this chart. You can just come here and remove it. So let's come here as well. Let's remove this chart. We don't want it. We remove it. So let's come to this. Also, we don't want this. So we are removing this. So let's say, for instance, now you want to create your chart. The first thing you do, you highlight it. You go to insert. From insert, probably you go to recommended chart, which most people normally use, or from recommended chart, you might decide to choose any other chart you want. But this is a long way. So this you can just from your keyboard look at it, Alt plus F1, just your Alt F1 key, you get your chart immediately. So and once you have your chart created, you may decide to probably go for anything you want. You may decide to go for any probably let's use the one we have before. We have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. You can just decide to pick any one you feel like probably really matter to whatever you want to do. Hi everybody. Hi everybody, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a chart through shortcut keys. You know, creating your charts, sometimes you go through a long way in getting your chart created. But in today's video, I'm just going to show you just a shortcut keys to make your chart ready under 2-3 minutes. So we are going to remove this. We don't want this. Let's remove it. Clear. We are clearing all. Come to this place also. You can clear this, also clear this. So let's say, for instance, now this is the first chart we want to create. And when you want to create your chart, the first thing you do, you highlight it, then you go to insert. From insert, probably you go to recommended chart, which everybody normally do. But in this case, we don't have to go through that extra mile. So let's cancel this. Let's wait. So we don't have to go through that extra mile. What you just have to do after you highlight your data set, the only thing you just have to do is Alt plus F1 key on your keyboard. Just press Alt plus F1 key. You get your charts immediately. Then let's just manipulate it. We don't want this. We get this removed. We don't want this line inside as well. We got it removed. And another thing is this: if probably you want to manipulate the chart, you go to format panel. Look at format panel here. From format panel, you begin to do whatever you want to do. So this is a long way. So if you want to do something like this, just what you just have to do is probably anywhere you want to manipulate on your data. Probably I want to manipulate this the chart. I will just have to Control 1 on my keyboard. Look at it, Control 1. I'm already have what I need. Then from there I go to probably I just need 25%. I just make it 25%. Then that is all. Then from there you begin to do whatever you want to do. If you want to fill, maybe I don't want this color, I want to change the color, I can make the color to be this. Already from there you already got what you want. Let's get it save. Just imagine you got everything you want in a jiffy. Then we'll come back here. Let's right click and we want to add a data label. So we have a data label already. We have the chart ready under just 2 minutes. Then another thing I'm going to teach you is how to use template. Now this is our data. We are going to save this, save as templates. When you save as templates, I'm just going to make it already. I have a template 1, chart 1. So let me make it chart 2 because I already have a chart 1. So we save it. So already. I'm teaching you how to use a template. Then the next thing we just have to do is already we have our date here. Control press, then we are coming to our expenses. So we get our charts. From there you just have to your Alt F1 key. With your Alt F1 key already, you have your data ready. So in that case, then what do we have to do here is we have to just right click, go to change chart type. When you go to change chart type, then go to template. Remember we have a template already. This is our template. Then you can just click it on your template. Already you have your work done. You can see. Then one thing is we don't want this color. We can easily change this color. Don't forget Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. Then you just go to the field, then you have your color, and we are having the color to be this. So we have this done automatically under a few minutes. So we have this chart, so we can just close it. Then the third something I'm going to teach you is this. When you click on this, we have this, and we want to have the third chart. Don't worry, in the case of this, sometimes it doesn't really work. Just draw it down. You can see. That sounds like a magic, right? We have our quality, our quantity. So this is the first chart. No, sorry, I'm going to Control Z. I'm going to Control Z this. Go back to our first chart, Control Z. If it's behaving funny, you can just undo here. This is what we have. So we are going to copy and paste. Copy. Then let's paste it here. We are having another chart. So we are having another chart here. Don't forget, this is the profits and this is the expenses, and this are still the expenses. But we want to change it from the expenses. We want to change it to the quantity. So the only thing you have to do is your Control key on your keyboard. Just come here, just draw this down. Look at it. Simple. Already you have your everything ready. Then from there, you just right click, then you have your data label. You understand? So click on this. We have our data label, and if you decide not to put a data label, we can just have it down. So under 2 minutes, under 3 minutes, under 4 minutes, you can easily have all your charts ready. Thank you for riding with me once again. My name is Remero Paul. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so. Subscribe, because you are going to learn many things. See you again. Bye.